Welcome to my YouTube channel Error Invitation. Please subscribe the channel if you are new in my channel. Let's start the topic. How to import Excel in SQL Server and insert records from the Excel in SQL Server. Let's start. We have Excel and 12 records, and now I want to import this Excel mm, to my SQL Server. My Excel is saved in desktop. Let's go to the SQL server, and this is my database and task. Import data. Next, you need to select Microsoft Excel and select here Excel file path. This is my Excel and this is Excel version Microsoft Excel 2007-10. You can also change Excel version in drop down according to your Excel. Next, and here SQL Server native client. uh, I am using Windows authentication. You can use SQL Server authentication, and this is my database name. And next, okay, copy data from one or more tables or views. Keep this selection, or you can select another, write a query to specify the data transfer. But in our concept, first is required copy data from one or more tables or views. Next, and I am rename the Excel name like employee bulk employee bulk file. And next, finish. Excel import done in the SQL server. Now select start from employee bulk. Okay guys, our 11 row are inserted successfully uh, in the table, and now I want to insert these records in original employee table. So I will write query like insert into employee and name and city and age and code and name and city and age. I'm using a bracket for this column because the column have space, and execute these both queries for migrate data. Our 11 row are inserted successfully in employee table. You can check this M1 to M11. This is very easy and fastest way to migrate Excel reports in SQL Server. Okay guys, thanks for watching.